recommend them. If you want to buy them, then go. But for battling, no, you cannot battle them with the original ones, especially the metal ones, especially the BX line, which there's so many metal on that. Okay, they're very thick metals. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So after this one, maybe we'll have some battles with other Bakutin shoot fake Beyblades, and very nostalgic Beyblades right here. But still, you will not let them battle with the original ones. Okay? So, yeah. So, if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you'll be informed for our next videos. Okay? So, that's it for now, guys. That's our Dragoon and Drazel. Yeah, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake Talapaya signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. More Gunpla and Beyblade X content next time. That's it. Thank you, and goodbye. Peace out. Bye.